Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up where necessary. Comment your favorite strategy and make money with us, okay? Don't forget we offer account management, VIP signals, and mentorship. So you can see this account here is on $238. Now, let me tell you something that you guys don't know. This person deposited $47. Like that was the deposit. $47. You can see it here. You can see it. You can see it here now. You can see this is $47. $47 here. $47. And the person has withdrawn over $130, which is almost three times the initial deposit. And if you can watch up here, you see that the profit is over $304, which is that's almost 5 to 6 times the profit. So come for account management, VIP signals, and mentorship. Very soon we will be launching our online class so that you guys can register and join us in our online class as well. Okay, so now what we did was we wait for an entry. This is an entry here. Now most of you will say, how did you take that entry at that point? Yes, it's a good question, but message me for better explanation. And the strategy that I'm using for this video is one of the best out there. Should I say is the best in the world? Using this strategy, you are not going to make any loss. Even if you make a little loss, you're going to recover it, and the account, the trade is going to give you massive. When I mean massive, very massive profit. Now, first of all, what we did, we identified this level. This level is good. We also identified the level here. And immediately we identified the level, we took the position. The position was taken here. The position was taken here while we wait for the breakthrough. We use a retesting lot size, just a small lot size at this point. And then once it broke through here, we took our entry here and allowed it to come. And it's still going to go down at this point. It's still going to go down. You can see here, it's still going down. But at this point, it's always good to know that some trades and some entries are good to be taken slow and steady, except to capture a massive trend. Okay, except to capture a massive trend. Now let me show you the trade that was taken. Let me show you. Okay, good. You can see them here. You can see them here. $30 each on just a particular entry, which is so amazing. So if you want the settings I'm using for this video, make sure to send us a DM using the link in the description. Just drop a message for us. We're always going to answer it. And then comment if you have been using our strategy to make money. Comment if you have been using our strategy to make money. If you haven't, you still tell us why you haven't. Okay, join the free signal group. The free signal group is active both on Telegram and on WhatsApp. So all you should do is join, trade that your small account, make money from that your small account. As you guys may have known, December is approaching, and I'll be doing my normal giveaway that I do on December. So make sure you don't miss out. Those of you that have just small accounts, you can come. Let us flip that account for you so that this December you can make a lot of money. Okay, making money is good. Making money is the goal why all of us want to venture into Forex. So don't allow your goal to be tempered on. Come today, come and make money with us. Follow us on Instagram at Benton2FX. Follow us on Instagram. That is where we do other part of our live stream and so on and make other money from there. So like, subscribe, comment, share this video with your loved ones. You can be making money all alone. And don't forget, we don't trade in marketplaces. We don't trade outside our homes. You trade at your comfort zone. That is where you trade. It's not when your wife quarrel you, you just rush enter into trade. No, we don't take trade like that. You make bad decisions on that trade. Not when maybe dog chase you or dog bite you run and you enter into trade. No, we don't do that. You take your time, you analyze before you take your entry. Okay, most times some people will say there are bad times. There's nothing like a bad time. You're the one who made the wrong decision. So come today and always make the right decision with us while we make good money. So thank you. I will see you in the next video.